Today's the best day because we're going to see temperatures that are pretty seasonal, maybe a touch above average, but then we get downright hot to start the work week. So make sure you get outside, do today's yard work, water the garden, because we're going to see those hot temperatures in the forecast over the coming days. Live look over downtown Seattle. We have mostly sunny start to the day. However, notice that we have a few little pesky clouds trying to stream in off of Elliott Bay, but overall a pretty nice start to the day in Seattle. Not really the case a little farther north as you work your way into parts of Snohomish County. We're starting to see the cloud cover break up across Payne-Field, but just to the other side of 525, we are seeing a little more in the way of cloud cover, and we're completely socked in at the coast. This is that marine push working its way in, and to help detect this marine layer, I went ahead and I've applied a different overlay for satellite. So where you see these green areas, that is that marine air that is working its way in for coastal areas through the Chehalis River Valley, through the strait into northern parts of Puget Sound, extending into the Hood Canal area. So these green areas, that's where we're kind of socked in with that marine layer. However, we have an area of high pressure overhead, so that's going to give way to mostly sunny skies by this afternoon, if not completely sunny skies. And where we're seeing the sunshine right now, temperatures are warming up. 61 in Seattle. Look at Renton and Puyallup up to 63 degrees. A touch cooler for Everett, where we have some of that cloud cover. 56 in the 50s as well for coastal areas. We're going to see temperatures in the 80s for Seattle southward. Low to mid 80s are expected. Everett 76, 82 here in Seattle. Coastal areas upper 60s and lower 70s are in the forecast. So as you can see, really not too bad of a day. It starts to warm up though as we work our way into tomorrow and continuing throughout the entire week. And because of that, we have an excessive heat watch that goes into effect tomorrow for southwestern Washington. This continues all the way until Friday. This is where temperatures could climb up to 103 degrees. East of the Cascades, excessive heat watch from Tuesday through Friday, and temperatures could get up to 110 degrees east of the Cascade Mountains. Here in western Washington, we have a special weather statement in place. That's because we're going to see overnight lows stay in the 60s and high temperatures in the 90s. So we're not going to see triple digits, but it is going to get hot. That hottest temperature is going to be on Tuesday into Wednesday when we go from 93 to 95 degrees. And you can see we hold on to those 90s all the way until at least Friday. And while these numbers may not look impressive when you compare it to what we saw last year when we had that all-time record high of 108 degrees at SeaTac, stringing together 4 consecutive days of 90-degree plus high temperatures is rare. In fact, it's only happened 10 times in recorded history at SeaTac, and the most we've ever seen, 5 days. The last time we've ever seen 4 days strung together was back in 2018. So not even last year's heat wave saw those temperatures at 90 or warmer for 4 days. And taking a look at the records, we have the potential to break a record on Tuesday. Record high is 92. We're expecting 93 degrees, and we could tie a record on Wednesday. That record's 95 with that forecast high of 95 on Wednesday. So no matter how we look at it, it's going to be hot. Make sure you're staying safe. You, your kiddos, your family, your loved ones, as well as your pets. Sunshine and hot temperatures over the next several days.